It's interesting thinking about the automation and the visual I have of a produce production, facility. So they were taking tomatoes was the produce, and it was coming down this line, and the human eye was so fast in normal speed they were zipping by just so fast you couldn't see them. And as they were falling down, they had a couple of these robotic little hands, little flippers, that were picking out the green tomatoes from the red. So there's probably 5% of green tomatoes, and it's just, to the human eye, it was a blur.
Yep.
But these things were picking out green tomatoes and knocking them off the line.
Yeah.
In between this waterfall of tomatoes. And I'm like, it's pretty dang impressive, to see that. But imagine how many people it would take to do that.
And it's a very repetitive motion type of job anyhow. And so, those are just some of the examples of working technology.
So just to kind of wrap things up, there's no holding back this technology. As Brett said, it used to be like, maybe I'll get that, or it's a toy, or we've always done it this way, that sort of thing. But its impacts are real, and they're going to vary depending on your company and your need and demand and so forth. But the reality of rapid acceleration of automation is here. No doubt about it. One impact we know. You need to decide to impact your own company. What is your risk mitigation strategy? How does it impact your throughput and your ability to grow and meet your goals, objectives? But one thing we know for sure that we specialize in is that you're going to need a higher level of skilled staff to be able to maintain, to install, troubleshoot, repair, replace this high-tech equipment. You're going to need those guys. They're hard to find. They're not readily available. They're in high demand. You're going to have to pay them well. You're going to compensate them well. You're going to treat them like what they are. They are not just a dime a dozen that you can put up an ad in a local paper and go find them. Those days are gone. They're in high demand. You're going to have to really partner with a company like ours to be able to find and get those guys that you need to keep your plant running. So the need for those guys is going to continue to rise as the automation need rises.